Well, whenever there's a celebration of women, I'm very, very happy. So it's an honor being someone, a woman who believes in women going out there into the big bad world of so called men, as they say, and achieving and becoming iconic, creating a footpath. And footsteps for other women to follow and breaking out of their niche, and actually being pioneers in their respective fields to carve the path for so many other aspiring women and young girls. So it feels very, very good for me to be here and to award these really, really fantastic, supremely achieved women today.
Well, it's been a hectic day for you. You have been to Delhi and now
Yes,
back here
yes,
again attending the event.
yes.
Delhi, how was it like?
It was fabulous because it was such a good cause. International Women's Day is such a close cause to me, and I think it should be to every self-respecting woman in the world. And when people ask me to attend such prolific, nice events, especially the Delhi event was conducted by a very, very prestigious hospital. And they were also spreading the awareness about the coronavirus, the do's, the don'ts, what to fear, what not to fear. So they had combined two very, very important issues, and today being International Women's Day, I think it's fantastic. And I always say, I don't think we women need just one day to celebrate us. I think every day is a celebration of our achievements, be it a mother, daughter, sister, wife, child. I think a woman in every role is just fabulous.
Well, Holi is also on its way, and people are scared to celebrate Holi because of Corona. What's your plan for it?
See, for me, I don't normally celebrate Holi anyway because I feel that a lot of the colors are mixed and they blind you, and a lot of women are touched in the wrong places, and people use this as an excuse to misbehave a lot of times. They're busy drunk on bhang and things like that. And I've had a lot of these experiences, not on myself but with friends who say that they really went through a lot of bad moments where men have misbehaved. So it tends to get a little riotous. Then you also have people who use it as an excuse to throw dirty things on you. Sometimes it's just vindictive for no rhyme or reason, whether it's eggs or mud or you don't know what's mixed in it. So people have actually lost the celebration. They are more into the nastiness of it everywhere, rather than feeling, yes, it's the arrival of spring, it's the end of winter, it's the time to really enjoy and bring in the harvest season. And India is such a colorful country. Rather than enjoying the essence of the celebration, what they've got to do is they've gone to the negative aspects. They've made it a very scary festival, which it is not. It's a beautiful festival and it should be celebrated in its beauty.
We have always seen you getting towards the fitness, but this time it's something special. Are you preparing for something?
No, I love being fit, and I think once you reach a certain level, you have to just elevate. So that's all that's happening. I fight myself. I'm my own competition. So every time I, get to a certain standard, me and my trainer are like, okay, now we have to outdo what we did last time. So it's purely for myself.
Anything upcoming from your side?
Yes, couple of things as you've been seeing on my Instagram posts, and couple of more exciting announcements. So yes, it's been a nice start to 2020, and I look forward to a lovely, lovely year.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you.
First of all, it's a pleasure and honor being a woman to salute and to award all the iconic women in the various fields that are in fact setting the path and the pioneers for all the young girls and the women across the globe in order to achieve their dreams and to feel that yes, we can. And of course, the organizers here on stage with me who have the golden heart like this golden rose, being all men, in fact, to organize this to show that, in fact, women are as equal. We never say women are superior or they should be superior, and we never say men are superior. In fact, a beautiful, complementary is what defines society. When a man compliments a woman and a woman compliments a man, that is the best association that we can have. And I think that's what spells the Iconic Woman of the Year award, because we have men here who are actually organizing it and feel the need to award these women. So my heartiest congratulations to all of you all. You know, they say when you educate a man, you just educate a man. But when you educate a woman, you in fact educate a nation. Because every child spends the maximum amount of time with his or her mother. And the mother instills in that child values, cultures, traditions, discipline, education of numerous sorts. So if you give the child a good upbringing, which is totally a mother's duty, then you know that the child is going to find and form a beautiful future. When a child is born, especially a girl, we call her Lakshmi. We say Saraswati. We call our India Mother India. Whenever we say that we are returning to our motherland, when we can give such big things, the genre, the sex of a lady, of a woman, then I think every woman needs to be respected. And why 8th of March? I think every single day of the year is Women's Year. And I think that's a beautiful, beautiful thing for us women who are going out in the world. A woman is one lady, is a person who uses every single bit of her being to help society. She is the dutiful daughter, the dutiful sister, the dutiful wife, the beautiful mother, the beautiful daughter-in-law. She enrolls and encompasses all forms that we possibly can evoke in life. And I think that is the beauty of being a woman. It's only a woman who can multitask, she can do a job, she can get pregnant, she can work through a pregnancy, she reproduces, she goes through her period every single month, but still walks through it without complaint, goes through hormonal imbalances, then goes to the phase of menopause. but yet she strives on and never phases and stops to do her duty. So I think that this beautiful day, being a worldwide celebration, is aptly due to every beautiful woman in this planet. Thank you very much.
Are strong. But when we speak about that strength, we are speaking about inner strength. That inner strength brings a lot of courage, a lot of strength, and a lot of dignity to any work they do. It doesn't matter whether she's a housewife or a career woman. At the same time, I will say that though the woman is applauded many a times, everywhere, and gifted, there are moments in life that if a strong woman puts a step out into the world, she is not that respected. She is pushed back because of environment, family, responsibilities, and constantly reminded what she should not do, instead of being told what she is capable of doing. And a lot of people also fear struggle. My advice to all the men and women of the world and everywhere else in the world is that if you ever are in association with any strong woman,
to invite my guest of honor, हम जरूर उनको मंच पर बुलाना चाहेंगे, and we'd like to felicitate him. And can we all put our hands together as we invite our guest of honor, Mr. Ajay Chaudhary, please. Founder of Bharat Seva Sadan. Sir, हमें आपको बुलाना था, तो इसलिए हमने आपसे कहा कि we'd like to felicitate you and for you to take your seat. Sir, मैं जरूर चाहूँगी कि आप दो शब्द Thank you so much, and I'm going to escort Ms. Amisha here. Maybe please, ladies and gentlemen. And now, before we present the award to you, I'd like to hear a few words from you, please.
I'm very nervous right now. So मैं बहुत ही खुश हूँ and very much and my mom is like that's award winner and she is really happy that I'm getting an award today at Women's Day and ये award सबको की है सब लड़की जो dreamer रहती है and वो successful करती है ये award.
बहुत शुक्रिया. Thank you, Ms. Amisha, for doing the honors. We only welcome her with a rose. Thank you. सर सरोज मैम तो अब हमें इंस्पायर और भी ज़्यादा करेंगे और इनका अवार्ड तो कुछ टाइम बाद हम देंगे. ऑफ कोर्स हम सभी को बुलाएंगे यहाँ पर, लेकिन लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन हमारे साथ यस मैम हो आपके पास. मैम यू ट्रूली हैव अ हार्ट ऑफ गोल्ड. Thank you so much. And the fact that you're here with Amisha, हम चाहेंगे कि आप वो कॉम्प्लीमेंट भी माइक पे दें. आपने जो अमीशा जी को कॉम्प्लीमेंट अब दिया. And well दोस्तों, when we think of shaking a leg, सिर्फ एक ही नाम होता है. To make anyone from a star to a superstar, जिनका हाथ होता है, ladies and gentlemen, may we please give her a loud round of applause. May we please give it for role legend, Miss Saroj Khan, here at the iconic Woman of the Year Awards 2020. Decades, 4 decades in the Bollywood industry. दोस्तों, मैम आपसे हम सुनना चाहेंगे. मैम दो शब्द, मतलब आप जब बात करते तो मैं भी वहाँ आप तक ही रह जाती हूँ आपको देखते हुए. प्लीज आपसे दो शब्द. पहले तो बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया आने के लिए. And you looking absolutely lovely in pink. Thank you so much, dear ma'am.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My throat is not okay. My knee is fractured, so I'm in pain also. I can only say thank you very much that they have selected me for Women's Award. I don't know whether I deserve it or no, but I'm really, thank you, Amisha. Thank you, ma'am.
Saroji, all of us wanted to be her and dance like her. From making the life of Sridevi to Madhuri Dixit, we all owe the best moves to Saroji, And the maximum डांट हम लोग ने जो इंडस्ट्री में खाई है वो भी सरोजी से भी खाई है. And she's had such an influence on cinema.
मार भी खाई है.
But only for the betterment. And now her son as well, Raju Khan, is such a brilliant choreographer. I've had the pleasure of working with both of them, and even some of my biggest hits with them. So this is really a really beautiful moment. Like they say, you know, salute and support a strong woman. Don't be intimidated by her.
मैम एक यहाँ पे विजुअल.
Ladies and gentlemen, thank you, Ms. Amisha, for being here with us. We're truly blessed. No, we request you to be here, still with us.
एक मिनट साधना, एक मिनट.
Thank you. May we please invite our awardee, Ms. Anu Chauhan. Big congratulations to you, Ms. Anu. As I welcome Ms. Maya Lona, our awardee, Ms. Maya Lona.
Thank you so much. Thank you. I think every platform that celebrates women should be cherished, and I think it's not just today, but every day should be called a Women's Day. And I think they are the pillar of strength, and all of them are growing with such grace and so much power to them. So yeah, great happy Women's Day to all of them. Well, I think so. I'm very lucky and blessed. My husband, brother, father, son. They celebrate us every day, so it's not going to be one particular day. But yeah, it's been a great experience, and it's a great day for people to celebrate us. So thank you.
Ma'am, our story is unbelievable. How did you do it? You're the first one in our country. You know, possible. And I will not say, I would always say that it's differently able. So please tell us more about this. Ladies and gentlemen, मैं आप सभी लोगों से रिक्वेस्ट करना चाहूँगी. Thank you for the music. You know, this room is very small and it's hot with lots of gratitude. I'd like to request you all to kindly be very soft because you know this room is small but it has a lot of strength and lots of love. So please let us applause for our award. Let me request you to do words, please.
Good evening, everyone. At the very outset, here's to giving me this award, the iconic woman of
Thank you so much. Thank you, Amisha, for your lovely words. You've always been a beautiful soul. Thank you so much. And you've seen us since we started off. Thank you. It's an extreme honor, really honored to be standing up here and receiving this. And I think on this day, I'd like to dedicate this award to all the women out there who are conquering every field with such power and grace. So this is for all the women out there, and like she said, back home, my husband, my father, my brother, my two little Luz, Vanchal Divyana. It's thanks to them that I get to be what I get to be. So thank you.
Thanks to you, they also get to be what they're going to get to be.
Yes, but they do celebrate us every day. So lucky, very lucky to be part of a family like that. Thank you so much, Piyush and the entire team for honoring us with this.
wishing everyone a very, very happy Women's Day. I think it's a great event, honoring all the amazing women who've contributed in their own ways in different fields. And I think, being a part of this is extremely, I feel really privileged. And I'm really excited. I think this year marks my debut in Bollywood. So for me, it anyway is a great year to start off with. And getting this award today on such a special day like Women's Day, I think it means a lot. And yeah, more power to all the women out there. And yeah, just celebrate every day like it's yours. And just do what you like and what you love. And just conquer the world. That's all I can say. So I made my debut with Bhangra Phale in Jan by RSVP. So yeah, so for me it's a really exciting and really special year. So yeah, I'm really looking forward to the year ahead. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Even a man needs a woman. Are very lovely. Miss Amisha Patel, our iconic Woman of the Year Award 2020 goes to Miss Amisha Patel. Ladies and gentlemen, it's time for us to welcome our legend, Gajendra Singh Ji. Well, he's ruled the screen for years together, decades of experience, and unse given an opportunity to so many females and really have them made from a simple girl to a star. May we please give it up for our legend, Shri Gajendra Singh Ji, please. Maulani, welcome to your side. Be it acting, be it singing.
आशा भोसले की तरह करते हैं और मुझे लगता है कि न जाने कितने और लोग आएंगे और हम कार्यरत हैं उस क्षेत्र में अपने टैलेंट को अपने लोगों को आगे ला सके प्रस्तुत करने के लिए थैंक यू सो मच मैम थैंक यू
गाँव में जा रहे हैं राजस्थान में हम गए वहाँ पर बहुत प्रॉब्लम में है और मैं थोड़ी सी बहुत सारे
Hello. Happy Women's Day. एक मिनट इनकी बहुत ऑफ कोर्स वुमेंस डे है सो वुमेंस डे पर आइकॉनिक वुमेन अवार्ड हो रहा है बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है यार बिकॉज़ विमेन को हर फील्ड में उन्हें प्रोत्साहित किया जा रहा है उन्हें अवार्ड दिया जा रहा है सो इट इज़ गुड यू फील रियली नाइस I think for me I think मेरी सबसे बड़ी अचीवमेंट ये रही है कि मैं इस फील्ड में आई हूँ बिकॉज आई एम फ्रॉम a very orthodox family so coming to acting also is a very big deal so मेरे लिए ये बहुत बड़ी बात है that I am here, I am working and it's a big achievement for me and of course जब लोग आपके काम को appreciate करते हैं तो और ज़्यादा खुशी होती है it's a proud moment and of course I think जो appreciation आपकी फैमिली से आपको मिलते हैं वो बेस्ट होता है you feel good because आप उनकी खुशी के लिए सब कुछ करना चाहते हो so I think I feel nice
खतरों के खिलाड़ी कैसे चल रहा है how is total experience कौन सी तरह से अभी तक बाहर आई हैं
well ये मेरा पहला रियलिटी शो है और योर डेब्यू इन रियलिटी कमिंग फ्रॉम खतरों के खिलाड़ी इट वाज अ बिग डील फॉर मी मुझे नहीं पता था क्या फेयर्स होंगे क्या फेस करना होगा बट वहाँ जाके जो चीज़ें मैंने फेस की है आई हैव सरप्राइज्ड माई सेल्फ एंड आई हैव ऑफ कोर्स सरप्राइज्ड माई फैमिली ऑल्सो बिकॉज क्रीपी क्रॉलीज हाइट्स पानी हर चीज़ से आपको उसे फेस करना पड़ता है आई थिंक इट वॉज अ लाइफ टाइम एक्सपीरियंस फॉर मी एंड आई थिंक इट वॉज अ गुड डिसीजन दैट मैंने पार्टिसिपेट किया उसमें।
रोहित सर को बहुत बार देखा है आपकी डांस कितने फ्रेंडली है वो, मतलब ऐसा होस्ट कैसे है वो, कितने फ्रेंडली है?
आई वुड से दैट मोस्ट ऑफ द टास्क जो भी मैंने किए हैं इट्स बिकॉज ऑफ रोहित सर सपोर्ट। ही इज़ वेरी मोटिवेटिंग और वो कभी नहीं चाहेंगे कि आप कोई भी टास्क आधे में छोड़ो। सो ही वुड वांट यू टू कंप्लीट एंड ही रियली मोटिवेट। सो मैं कहूँगी ही इज़ अ टफ टास्क मास्टर येस, बट ही इज़ वेरी फ्रेंडली एंड ही इज़ वेरी सपोर्टिव।
अगर जैसे कि आपने कहा कि मैंने रियलिटी शो में अपना डेब्यू कर लिया है, तो बिग बॉस बीइंग द पॉपुलर शो कभी हम उसमें भी देखेंगे आधा को?
देखो खतरों के खिलाड़ी करने के लिए आपको गट्स चाहिए, लेकिन बिग बॉस करने के लिए आपको उससे भी ज़्यादा गट्स चाहिए। वो गट्स अभी फ़िलहाल मुझ में नहीं है। जब होगा, जब हिम्मत होगी मुझ में एज मैं बिग बॉस कर सकती हूँ, सो प्रॉबली आई विल डू इट। बट एज ऑफ नाउ आई थिंक मेरी पर्सनैलिटी आई एम अ वेरी इंट्रोवर्ट एंड शाय पर्सन, सो आई डोंट नो इफ़ आई वुड बी एबल टू जेल विद एवरीवन इन द हाउस। सो या
इसके अलावा होली भी आ रही है, बहुत सारे लोग होली सेलिब्रेट नहीं कर रहे हैं बिकॉज ऑफ कोरोना। आप बताइए आपके क्या प्लान्स हैं, होली खेलने के प्लान्स है या नहीं?
देखो हर साल मैं होली एकदम धमाके से करती हूँ फ्रेंड्स के साथ, फैमिली के साथ। इस साल मे बी आई वोंट सेलिब्रेटेड इतना धूमधाम से, ऑफ कोर्स बिकॉज ऑफ द कोरोना वायरस। पीपल से दैट यू बी सेफ, सो आई थिंक घर पे ही रहूँगी फैमिली के साथ, फ्रेंड्स के साथ एंड उनके साथ मनाऊँगी। आप सभी दर्शकों को मेरी तरफ से अ वेरी 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 हैप्पी होली। थैंक यू। थैंक यू।
Let's just do I'll be with you and does anyone else please feel free to join us. Come on. Manju ji, would you like to join us on the dais? Okay. So which song do you want to hear? Any song is good. So she's so confident.
Hello.
Yeah, I got it.
Okay, so firstly, happy Women's Day to you. And since what has Gauta has been here, it's an award that we are felicitating you.
जो भी आपका favorite song है,
Really excited है आज की इस family से. What are you expecting?
So you have no idea.
फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल हैप्पी इंटरनेशनल वुमेंस डे टू एवरीबॉडी। सेकेंडली ये एक बहुत ही अच्छा प्लेटफॉर्म है वुमेंस डे पे वुमेन को फैसिलिटेट करना who are an icon for the general public or the youth or whoever. I'm glad that I'm part of this and I feel privileged that I am chosen as an iconic woman of the year as well. बहुत ही अच्छा फील हो रहा है और आई नो कि मैं जो पर्सनालिटी हूँ वो ऑब्वियसली पीपल लुक अप टू, सो आई होप दैट आई कैन डू रियली गुड एंड मैं जो एग्जाम्पल सेट करूँ वो बहुत अच्छा हो। सो यस, so feminine energy, feminine power is really very strong. हम लोग देवी माँ पे look up to करते हैं, हम लोग हर चीज़ feminine energy के साथ associate करते हैं। So I think feminine energy वो ऐसी चीज़ है that she can do many things at a time. She is so multi-talented and the best part is she is emotionally, mentally, physically नहीं, but yeah, in all other spheres she is a very strong person, a very strong human being. So I'm glad that I'm a woman first of all. एंड ये दिन हम एक साथ सेलिब्रेट करेंगे ताकि हम रियलाइज़ करें अपने स्ट्रेंथ को, अपने पोटेंशियल को और आगे बढ़ाते रहें।
Okay, so after Women's Day, Holi is also on its way. बहुत सारे लोग होली सेलिब्रेट नहीं कर रहे because of coronavirus. What's your plan for this?
I think I'm going to stay home and also maybe invite close friends to my place and just chill. क्योंकि वैसे तो देखा जाए तो ऑर्गेनिक कलर्स, पानी बचाओ, ये हर एक चीज़, ये जो रूल्स है वो सबको फॉलो करना ही चाहिए। बट आई थिंक इस बार घर इंडोर्स ही रहे और घर के अंदर ही होली खेले तो बेटर है। थैंक यू।
हाँ ठीक है। ओके, सो फर्स्टली और आज बहुत ही खास दिन है, खास मौका है, उसको फेलिसिटेट कर रहे हैं। आप बताइए कितनी एक्साइटेड हो कैपुचिन?
या वेरी हैप्पी वुमेंस डे टू यू ऑल्सो एंड मैं बहुत ज़्यादा खुश हूँ और काफ़ी अच्छा मौका है एक अवार्ड्स नाइट को अटेंड करने का और इतने सारी लेडीज वुमेन सेलिब्रेट की जा रही हैं आज विच इज़ अमेजिंग सो आई एम वेरी वेरी हैप्पी टू बी अ पार्ट ऑफ इट एंड वेरी एक्साइटेड टू बी
जन्नत आपने स्टोरी देखी थी अयान बागी बड़ा ही उनकी कैरेक्टर को भी बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद किया है। देखिए आपने फिल्म कैसे?
नहीं वो एक्चुअली हैप्पी कोरोना गाइज उसके वजह से डैडी ने जाने नहीं दिया बट लेट्स सी आई होप कि सब चीज़ ठीक हो जाए और हम जल्दी से जाके देखें बिकॉज अयान इज़ लाइक रियली अपसेट एंड ही इज़ लाइक कि नहीं मुझे तो जाना है मुझे जाना है ऑफ कोर्स व्हेन आई वाज वेरी वेरी एक्साइटेड लेट्स होप वी गेट टू गो इन द थिएटर एंड वॉच इट।
वुमेन्स डे के बाद होली भी आ रहा है तो इस साल होली खेलने का इरादा है?
नहीं इस साल नहीं खेलेंगे बिकॉज आपने ये भी सुना होगा कि प्रिकॉशन लेने के तौर पे ताकि कि और चीज़ें ना फैलें और चीज़ें ख़राब ना हो उसके लिए प्रिकॉशन लेना है इसके वजह से इस बार नहीं खेलेंगे। बहुत देर तक अयान को समझाया बट उसको भी समझ आ गया सो आई थिंक इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर चिल्ड्रन टू अंडरस्टैंड कि ये थोड़ा नाजुक माहौल चल रहा है इस वक्त पूरी दुनिया में तो उस वजह से थोड़ा सा सैक्रिफाइस करना पड़ेगा सो या यस शेयर नहीं करना चाहूँगी बस यही बोलना चाहूँगी कि चीज़ें आ रही हैं एंड मैं शेयर करती रहूँगी टाइम आने पर एंड यू ऑल बी वेरी हैप्पी थैंक
एक सोलो
नारी जो मुमताज बनी तो
Thank you so much. Same to you. Obviously, I'm too excited and honored to be here and would like to say thank you to Mr. Jaiswal and team for the honor. And yeah, I wish all the ladies of this universe, entire universe, all the very best. Keep rocking. Yeah, thank you.
करने के लिए सिंग भी करें, डांस भी करें, आप डायरेक्ट भी करते हैं, एडिटिंग में भी हेल्प करते हैं. You also, that is phenomenal. And above that, ladies and gentlemen, I won't say that, but of course, हम मैम से सुनना चाहेंगे. I didn't invite our legend here who's going to present the award to you simply because हमें बहुत सारी बातचीत करनी है आपसे दिव्या. Truly an honor at first, and you're looking as lovely, a doll, an angel. जितने शब्द हैं उतने कम हैं. कैसा लग रहा है at first 270 million views?
Well, I want to thank this lovely girl, lovely woman here for so much of love and warmth. All that you said about me, I'm truly touched. Happy Women's Day, everyone. It's my pleasure being here between such inspiring women today. And it's my honor that I'm getting this award in front of Saroj ma'am. It's truly an honor, ma'am, And I've never worked with you, and you just told me that but pehle the opportunity आई थी, but it was my best opportunity, and I learn from you every day. आपके गाने देख कर हम बड़े हो. So all your expressions which came, which we have seen on screen through Sridevi ji, Madhuri ji, that's all Saroj ji actually. That's all her expression. It's truly an honor to get this in front of you, and I'm so thankful to God, to the amazing response He's given me. I feel, today I feel really excited to get this award, National Sensation of the Year. When this came to me, I was just laughing. I didn't know how to react because I just felt, I felt stronger and empowered within. I felt that I've broken certain stereotypes. When you get married, I have a son, so people think, so I think I've broken that stereotype today by getting this award. And this AV jo aapne dekhi, this my team made it so beautifully for me. And this is 6 colleges which I visited, and the response was like so crazy and amazing. And I felt so thankful. जब भी मैं कॉलेज जाती थी वहाँ पर और मुझे ऐसा रिस्पॉन्स मिलता था, मैं सिर्फ ईश्वर को थैंक यू करती जाती थी. Thank you God, you made this possible, and you've given me the strength and whatever all He's given me today. I mean, I started with acting, then I was directing in between. Then I did also choreograph in my movies. I choreographed songs. I was editing. So now I'm acting again, and now you're gonna see me in Satyamev Jayate too. So this video opportunity came my way through Radhika Rao and Vinay Sapru, who got me into the industry actually. When I was in Delhi, they auditioned me when I was like a young teenage girl. They auditioned me from so many girls, and they selected me for a Falguni Pathak video. So yeah, that's how I started. And then when they came to know that I'm acting again, they called me and they said that we want you to do this video, and I was so thrilled to be working with them. And I think the credit goes to them, the way they presented me with so much of love and in such a wow way that I was able to capture so many hearts. So thank you to my directors, and thank you to the audience, and thank you to Mr. Piyush Jaiswal for this honor. Thank you to the Habitat for Humanity and to everyone behind the Iconic Women of the Year award, National Sensation of the Year. Oh my God, I'm so thrilled.
I love it when you say that.
Yeah, yay!
Yay! She's made it. Well, extremely beautiful, ladies and gentlemen. Watched our legend live. Divya ma'am, it's all. And after 20 minutes, come on, please. Come on, ladies and gentlemen, check this out.
Firstly, happy Women's Day.
Same to you.
And खास दिन है, खास मौका है where
Live. You will never get to watch this, ladies and gentlemen. We're witnessing it absolutely live. That was so beautiful. Completely a perfectionist. Maybe please give it up for the
I'm very
complete form of
excited.
substance
I don't think so. We need a Women's Day to celebrate womanhood. I think every day is our day. Oh my God! Watch my day. But I think आज इस साल की Women's Day की theme है कि an equal world is an enabled world. So I think we all should work towards an equality. हम सारी औरतों को भी सारे equal हक देने चाहिए. So that's about it. And getting an award, obviously, I'm very excited because I'm getting an award for Section, movie which is very close to my heart, and it speaks about women and how they stand for their justice and how they fight for themselves. So it is a very special day for me. About my beauty, मेरी मम्मी की देन है मेरे ख्याल से. Really, I think it's just I'm just blessed with good genes. That's about it. I just work out too much. Maybe that's the secret. Attire? I'm wearing a sari. My stylist must be knowing the designer. I don't know. I'm sorry. No, next is gonna be Kamatepura on Amazon. That's a web series on prostitution. Again, it has a very strong message to send out. I hope I get a lot of awards after that also. So I think this year every work is I just want to get awards for all kind of work that I'm doing.
So besides that, after Women's Day, Holi is also there, and lots of people are not celebrating Holi because of
Coronavirus. I'm not celebrating it too. I'm super scared of coronavirus. In fact, I've been telling people to be careful. In India, especially, people are taking it very carelessly. Coronavirus is not something we should take it carelessly. People are dying. I'm traveling to Lonavala on that day. So I am not celebrating Holi. I'm going to Lonavala for 1 day holiday.
Thank you.
Thanks.
एक बार हम निकल जाए.
दोनों ही awkward situation है.